something bottled up inside of me.
Is it me?
No, it's not you.
I understand, but you can't confide in me. If you can't confide in me, who can you confide in, my love?
I'm trying. Some things, you know, are just... don't share everything.
Let it out. Give me your all.
I'm trying, baby.
You're not trying. Whatever it is, let it out. Let it go.
Are you sure?
Let it go. My love, nothing will stop me from loving you. Let it out.
Are you sure?
Let it out.
Okay.